Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Metahero, but before I do, I'll appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get over to this video. So guys, yes, another Metahero video, just going over the price analysis and an update since the last video that I did make. So if you guys did miss that video, go ahead and check the link below. So guys, going over CoinMarketCap, as you guys can see, the ticker name being Hero, current ranking is just over that 2,600 level, current price is up 1.43% over the last 24 hours, currently circling just underneath that 3 cent mark, current diluted market cap is just over 292 million, and the circulating volume is just over 8.7 million. I will be going over the full analysis in a bit. In terms of recent news, as you guys can see, Metahero tweeted 45,000 plus hero holders and counting. We're just at the beginning and already averaging more than 1,300 new hodlers / day since the launch. So per day they're getting 1,300 new people holding this coin, which is amazing. That's huge. Imagine what will be when we hit the next positive inflection point and really blow up. So be your own hero being a hashtag. So go ahead and check out this tweet, guys. So guys, I will be jumping into the price analysis now. So guys, whatever's been waiting for, the price analysis. So guys, I have pulled up this chart that I did actually analyze in my last video. So this is literally the same screenshot that I took. So I did initially highlight, so where it was, I did take a screenshot from here exactly. So around where this candle is here is when I thought what price was going to do. So I did initially thought price was going to go down back towards this level of resistance around that 3 cent mark and then bounce up from there, create that level of support and go up, or it will go down here to this level of support here around that 3 cent mark as well and then go up, or go back down towards this trend line here and then go up. So as you guys can see, it pretty much played out this third trend line here. So as you guys can see, it did go out here to create that level of, that rejection around that third time. So 1, 2 and a third rejection, and they seem to go up up to around that 3-4 level. Unfortunately, it did reject that level of resistance, create a double top pattern here, and then did reject third time, in fact, as you guys can see, and unfortunately it did break that level of trend line. But I did say, guys, this is analysis, is my analysis. It doesn't always play out the best, but I did play out slightly from here. It did actually go up to this level here, it did go down, create that level of support around here, and then to go up all the way around to that 3-4 level. Unfortunately, it did reject that level again, creating that triple top pattern here, and did go down towards it at the moment. And then another analysis I did say as well, guys, from around this level is here, I did say it was going to be ranging between these levels, around that 3.6 level to around that 3 cent level. I did say it's going to be ranging, and it has been pretty much ranging for quite some time. As you guys can see, it has been ranging for a couple of days, in fact, between that level. It did actually break out and did come back into this trap around that range. So that were my two analyses that I did show previously. So you go ahead and check out that previous video. I will put the link below. In terms of recent analysis, as you guys can see, I am on the daily now, and I have created this trend line here. So as you guys can see, it has been keeping this trend line for quite some time. It does seem to be creating that level of support now around that 2.9 level, and that level of support has been broken so many times. As you guys can see, the amount of days this level has been rejected. So as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, in fact, even 8 days, in fact, it has been rejecting that 3 cent level. It's quite some time, so it is a level to be looking out for, especially. So hopefully it does create a level of strong support around a level and then go back up towards these initial highs. For now, guys, don't anticipate it's going to just boom up to 5 penny mark so soon. So hopefully it does do that. So just think about the short-term gains at least, guys, so at least to around that all-time high initially before going on towards that 5 penny mark, 10 penny mark. So that is what I think in terms of the long-term / short-term. In terms of very short-term, I have jumped onto a 4 hour. As you guys can see, there is that nasty little range around that 2.6 level. As you guys can see, there was that resistance there turning into that support, and does seem to be rejecting so many times. As you guys can see, jumps into this range and just keeps on rejecting so many times here. So hopefully what it does now, it does seem to be creating that level of support here. Hopefully what it does now, it just keeps on bouncing up towards that all-time high. Or what it might do, it might in fact just drop down towards that level of support around that 2 cent level before creating that level of support and then going back up towards those all-time high around that 4.2 level. So that is why I think just be aware of that nasty range around that level there. in terms of the hourly time frame, as you guys can see, the hourly time frame looks like an absolute mess. Not even gonna joke. So as you guys can see, there is that loads of rejections around these levels. As you guys can see, around that 2.7 level, 3 cent level, there's so many rejections around here. So it does seem to be playing a little bull trap and bear trap levels. So just be careful, guys, in terms of trading. I wouldn't play this in the short term. As you guys can see, it will just wick you out, or just completely ruin your bank account. So just be careful. I just do want to give you these ranges. As you guys can see, it's just horrible trading within these ranges. I will be just looking at these long term and these minor short term ranges. So guys, that is my analysis for the next time. So I will be doing sort of like a weekly analysis of Hero, just because it's a fairly new token. I want to see how it plays out. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.